quickly go over what is a governance and a semantic layer. The governance layer ensures that your users have access to the specific data that they should have access to, meaning people from accounting should only see accounting data, people from sales should only see their data. The semantic layer makes sure that even though these different departments may have their own data sets, they could all talk and communicate with each other as needed. So if you have a reporting team that does some of the reporting to management, they can have access to both your sales metrics and your accounting data to make sure that customers are both being converted and actually following through on their invoices. So those are governance and semantic layers. So Synapse can help you both govern and maintain control over your data, giving people access to it when they need it and ensuring that people can change the things they aren't supposed to have access to. On top of this, once you connect it with Daemon under our Axiom tool, you can give AI secured and covered access to all your data without risking anything going wrong. This is how Synapse can help your company grow and improve. You can find Synapse for free in our GitHub. You can download and start using it today. It is a free and open source tool. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep learning more and stay ahead of the innovation curve. Thank you.